good morning. It's 15th July. I'm sorry about the previous video. I had no sound, so I'm going to try and redo the same thing and make sure that you have sound in the video. So probably be quicker than yesterday's video. Anyway, I'll try and get through all the points. So dollar index, I'm expecting a move down, but ultimately I'm expecting it to come and clean up the highs here. And then I'll see if it should fall or even go higher. Let's jump into another chart, another count which doesn't have dollar index, and start with gold. So if you see the previous video, this has no sound. If you go through it, the levels haven't changed. So I was expecting a move up into this level to short, and it did do that during the night. So that's opening, went there, came back up. Now, if you measure this, just change the colors. If you measure this, see, it's retracing now to 62%. So from here to there would be a 62% retracement. And same thing here. So that would be a good level to short, and around here could be another good level to short. Let's go to Aussie dollar. I was expecting a move down from the open, didn't do that. So now, let me see. If it doesn't go here, I'm trying to update. That would be my selected level to buy. But if it doesn't go there, this would be my next selected level to buy. And then a move up to there. Euro Aussie, just like the previous chart, it was expecting a move up. It didn't go there. It didn't go there from the start. Went a little shallower than that. Went 7 pips from the level I was expecting. But anyway, I'm still thinking that this could be the level to short at. Even though it went lower, probably still going to come up there. This still hasn't gone there. Sorry, don't have my water here. Still hasn't gone there. Good. So still hasn't gone there. That's the level I was expecting. Maybe a little lower. Anyway, just above where the price is right now. Might be shorting here. Of course, as you probably read the disclaimer, I hope you did. These are opinions, they're not suggestions to take trades. And I don't recommend trading these charts. Any gain or loss is not my fault, because I'm not licensed to give trade advisement. So expecting a little spike up before a fall again. This one just came, oh, 20 minutes ago to the level I had. And again, you can see it on yesterday's video to see that level didn't change. So it just came there. Nice rejection. Now I gotta wait. Spread looks too big. Anyway, so expecting a fall, and then of course retracing back up, and then a fall again. Here, and again, the levels haven't changed since last previous video. Left the level untouched, and it went quite close to it, 9 pips. If this holds, I would say it would come back up tomorrow. If it doesn't hold again, like EJ, the euro pound, we did trade the return to this level here. And I was showing yesterday, I was showing the targets that were far away. And if you see the previous video, I measured the ranges and said this move down would be take a couple of weeks. Because if you measured this area, it's a week. This is a weekly move. And this is kind of the same weekly move, weekly move, weekly move. So let's see, 1 week, 2 weeks and a half for some of the moves that I'm projecting here. Now, I don't know if it's going to come up to that. This level already went there. These are 2 levels that I'm looking at. If it breaks below, well, I'll look to trade it all the same because my target is down there. 107. Pound Aussie, like Aussie pairs, it didn't go to where I was expecting. The level was left there. Might just come up here. Just come up here and not come up there. But anyway, I'll see how it goes today. And if they leave this level untouched today, we'll probably see a move here tomorrow and then a fall. Again, target is down there. Pound cat, I don't have that big of a target. It's a small move. Oops. But and it didn't go to the level I was expecting, and probably won't. So if you look, last week we were in the range. We're still in that range. I'd like to see a move up to clear out these stops and then a fall. But if it falls, well, I'll try and get it on the rebound. Pound yen, also in the range, not trending like pound Aussie. And that level still left untouched. May come back tomorrow. It's not that big of a movement for yen. About 80 pips from where we're at now. 90. Wouldn't be that big of a move to come here tomorrow and then continue lower. But that's, and the target 129.50 around that. Cable, I've got these 2 levels that I'm watching. Of course, if you see that there's a resemblance to euro dollar. There are two levels above which I'm watching. I'm not very sure, so I'm staying out. If it comes here, I'll look to trade, but I'll keep in mind that it might still go higher. I wanted to trade down to 123. So even if it falls, I may enter on the way to 123. I was expecting yesterday a move down here at 66.10 and then a move up, continued move up. Now I'd like to see this level hold. I'd like it not to go much higher, and then tomorrow would retrace. Now if you pull the fib from there to there, would be deeper than 62%. Anyway, would be a nice move to take, a nice trade to take if we got there to 360 pips. USD CAD, nice level here, untouched, clean a double top. I'd like to see it clean out the double top and then fall, creating now a double bottom. So we're still in this range, and I'd like to short around that level, coming down to 128 to 40. Like euro dollar, two levels that I'm considering to short, and it hasn't moved much. So spike up on news could happen, spike to this level. To this level, we need a couple of days move. I don't think in one day would go there. My target would be 96. And finally, EJ. Got these three levels. It didn't come, it came 10 pips, something. Yeah, 10 pips from this level. And it's now being rejected. I still think it's going to come up to 108.20. Target's really far away because of the wick we had here. It created this double bottom, so the target would be below that. So that's it for the weekly preview. I'm sorry the previous video went without sound. I'll check this one, and I'll try and check future videos to see if the mic's plugged. So have a nice week, trade safely, and again, this is not an invitation to trade or suggestion to trade.